at the base of our steering column, underneath the dash, it's right between the gas and brake pedal, is our neutral safety switch. It's this plastic unit right here. We're going to use a small pick, and we're going to go ahead and reach up and try and release this from our steering column. By using our pick, we can get underneath. Try and release these tabs from the column itself. Once you release those tabs, we should be able to slide this over. And there'll be 3 connectors on the back side. And we also want to pay attention to this tab right here. Very important. So let's go ahead and disconnect our harnesses right now. Let's go ahead and line up our connectors here. And now we're going to feed this back up on top of the steering column. So in order to make this easier to slide on and pop into place, we actually removed our harness. We lined up our tab. This is adjustable here, back and forth, to get your backup lights and everything to work properly. Now what we do is go ahead and feed our harness back up top. And go ahead and get these reconnected to where they're supposed to go. All right, now we have our harness on. You want to go ahead and put your vehicle in park. Go ahead and start your vehicle and test everything out.